Hi, I'm Michelle. This semester I was the project and product manager.
I am Sarah. I'm the environment artist of the team.
I'm Kate, and I'm the 3D artist of the team.
Hi, I'm Ruby, and I'm the UI UX designer of this team.
My name is Lakshya Sethi. I'm a visiting student from SFU. I'm one of the developers in the team.
Hi, I'm Yiming. I'm a visiting student from SFU Seattle. I take the role as a developer and technical artist in this project.
My name is Robert, and I'm from the C16 cohort. I was kind of brought in last minute to lend a hand with the development of the project.
This semester, our client was DigiBC, a nonprofit organization.
The Creative Technology Association of British Columbia, who previously founded and currently hosts an annual tech expo in Vancouver called Signals. Our team, Signal Boosters, were tasked to develop an open access digital creation pipeline that fosters conversations on the use of AI tools and empower digital creators in the creative industry. Our vision for this project is to showcase AI's potential in a creative way, but also demonstrate how the overall pipeline can be integrated into users' everyday creative journeys. By harnessing AI's strengths and understanding its limitations, we can utilize it ethically, legally, creatively, as well as equitably. Through our specific use case of world building, we were able to leverage present and future practices that include Unreal Engine's procedural generation, Convey's generative conversational AI tool, and Stability AI's Stable Diffusion to enhance and replace certain steps, enable rapid iteration, as well as realistic prototyping.
In the world building section, we used the procedural generation plugin that just came out this April for Unreal Engine 4.2. This tool has a lot of potential that can improve the efficiency in the world building and virtual production workflow. This experimental tool allows creators to use visual scripting to create the logic for procedural generated environment that can automatically fit into the terrain without having to manually place each asset to the scene. In our project, we have 4 procedural generated clusters that user can adjust the position, size, density. When user places this cluster in the scene, it will automatically adjust the shapes so that they won't overlap with each other and surrounding environment.
With the AI being in the center focus of our project, we were afraid we would just end up with lots of research and no product. So we pushed for actually making something. We wanted to showcase our technical skill. And as for me, a 3D artist, I also wanted the project to give me a chance to make some more 3D models for my portfolio. And I think we did it.
I feel like the biggest challenge for me is that sometimes my teammates or even myself weren't even sure what is possible and what is impossible, especially when it comes to tasks in Unreal. For example, the time of the day feature was almost removed due to doubts about its achievability. And in some other times, after long hours of research and experiment, the result was still not satisfying and I almost gave up. But eventually I just toughed it out and I realized rather than arguing with my teammates about what I can do and what I can't, the best thing to do is to actually make it happen and prove it possible.
As a UI UX designer, it's quite a challenge to nail the design of the interface while we are still trying to figure out the user experience. Given that AI is cutting-edge technology, our clients are pretty eager to incorporate a ton of AI tools into the mix. This leads us to constantly experiment and test out these tools, and it ends up making the UI requirements shift quite a bit.
In the development, since this tool is just came out a few months ago, it could get unstable sometimes. The tutorial we can find is very limited, but by diving into the documentation and developer forums, we figured out how to make this procedural generation environment work in the game and package build.